Okay guys, art club specifically. Got your drawings in here. There's Andrews, here's No Name, here's Melania. My eyes are getting so bad. Nicole, they're right here. So we got some hot coffee. Just gonna pour it in there. Shift them around a bit. Trying to get them all covered fairly evenly, but it doesn't have to look perfect because remember we want it to look old. So things don't age perfectly. I mean, look at me. That's just a joke, dad joke. All right, so we're getting there. There's the rest. And it doesn't make any sense to waste this coffee, so let's see, I got some creamer here. Sugar. And let's see how we can do this. Waste not, want not. Coffee left over from this morning. That should be good. My favorite cup.